So you guys, I tried a versatile braids with passion twist and this is a tutorial on it. Tell me what you guys think rather than using boho knotless because I know boho gets rough on time. So I decided to use the passion twist and yeah, this is how it turned out. See you after the intro. Okay. They call me sassy. Alright, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo K, channel name. Alright, so let's just get into this video. So first of all, I part my hair into like two middle sections, very like precise parts, and then I just go in an inclined form on the first one and then go in an inclined form on the second one. Then just go ahead to braid that aside because this is going to serve as the foundation for your braids because you want your braid to incline towards the middle of your hair. So this is going to serve like as a pathway for the rest of your braids. So basically versatile braids goes like the very first braid is a cornrow, the next one is a braid, like 3 braids or 4 braids depending on how full your hair is. The next one is a crisscross braid. The next one is another braid of like 3 or 4, also depending on how your hair is. Then the next one is a cornrow, then the next one is a braid, then before you do the cornrow in the middle. So basically that's what I'm just going to be going over with you guys. And one thing you should make sure of is that you actually follow the slightly inclined line while braiding, because if you braid it straight it won't end up being okay in the middle. It's going to like fall in a very weird way, so just make sure you braid straight down. And yeah, using passion twist, there's really nothing spectacular about this, only that you have to be careful not to tangle it up with your actual hair. Anyway, yeah, so let's just go on with this video. For cornrows, you guys, I have a lot of tutorials on how to use cornrows and extensions, so I'm just going to be going over with this video just in case you haven't seen my videos before. So basically start with a piece, put it under your fingers, and then take one over your hair, braid 1 2, braid 1 and 2, and then take the other half of the braid and tuck it in again, then braid 1 and 2. So basically depending on how thick you want the braid to be, you add more extensions. If you want the braid to be thick, you add more extensions, but if you want the braid to be light, then you use more of your hair than extensions. So basically I'm adding more extensions at this point because it has reached the end of the braid and I want it to come from a tipping point down to like a thicker point. So that's why I'm adding more braids towards the end rather than at the beginning, because if you notice at the beginning I was braiding with my actual hair before I went ahead to start adding more braiding hair. Okay, so just when we get to the end, we're just going to flip our hands and yeah, go ahead to twist that up. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Based on the preference of this style, your braids should have a triangle path, and just go ahead to braid 3 or 4 braids in the next one. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes I fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried. So basically, when it got to this point of the braid, I realized that I didn't have enough extensions to go through with this braid. So what I did was try to maneuver the style. So here I was meant to do like an actual like one braid, like an actual braid. Instead, I went ahead with the cornrow and then did the braid in the next one. So I just cut the process short. That way I'll be able to have enough extensions to go through with the hair. Yeah, and that's just the same tutorial all through. So I'll just try to speed up this so we can end this video.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.